I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, it's been a little bit. I know, it's been a little while. I got a few sneaker pickups on deck, but today we're going to start with this one right here. This isn't a new one. This isn't a new one. This is what Mr. Bullet RC would refer to as a delayed W. Alright? Now when I say this is a delayed W, what I'm getting at is this shoe right here came out summer of last year. Summer of 2019. And it's one that I missed out on. And I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get it now because I saw it at a good price. A price that I was willing to spend. So let's go ahead and get into this one, man. You all know this is a Jordan 1 box. You know what I mean? Alright, so this is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG colorway. Is Sail, Obsidian, and University Blue. Alright, size 14, of course. And I got these from Stadium Goods through eBay. Alright, now they were having a little bit of a sale and they had a promo going on, and I was able to get these for roughly $200. Alright, which is a little over retail, but it's not so much over retail that I said I can do that. Alright, now this right here, this is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Alright, let's put that to the side. Boom. And let's go ahead and get into these, man. Because of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Very clean. Very clean. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Them obsidian things. Them obsidian things. Yes, sir. Whew, I missed these when these first came out. Let me take that shoe tree. And yes, the laces came off. The laces were on the left shoe. You'll see the string here. Here are the laces. It's snapped off. That happens. It happens. No big deal. But these are the laces that come on the left shoe. But they ripped off, so. But here they are. Bam. They come with the obsidian laces on them. Very nice. Very nice. And man, I'll be honest with you all. I've had the, when did I order these? Man, I had to order these. I can't even tell you when I got these, man. I've had them for a while though. I've had them, I want to say about a month or so, man. I've had them for about a month. I just never, you know, did the review on them. But they are here in-house. And they are very dope, man. The quality on these things, whoo, very nice. Very nice. Look at that toe box. I hope the light isn't too bright on the toe box area. Let me move that light a little bit, but look at that. Look at the quality. Look at the quality here. Woo, woo. Man, before I went ahead and got these, man, the prices that I was seeing on these were, you know, $250 and up. You know what I mean? $300. $340. I was like, nah, I can't do it. But $200, that's basically paying retail plus ship. I'll do that all day. I will do that all day. So I'm glad to add these to the collection, man. They got that Nike Air Obsidian with the University blue, that Carolina blue on the tongue. Very nice. Standard Jordan 1 tongue. On the inside, Obsidian with that University blue. They knocked these out the park, man. The quality and the colorway. Everything about these is just too sweet. And these most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But just wanted to do a quick video and show you that I had these in-house now. These have arrived. Obsidian bottoms. The sail is the lighter portions on the inside there and on the toe box. Let's bring out the right boy. Same exact thing, nothing extra on the right boy. Quality, the quality is just as good though. That's some really good quality, man. Very glad to have these. But that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Let me know what you think of these. More content is definitely on the way. If y'all can see right here, there's 2 more boxes down there. There's 2 more boxes. So, both of which are delayed W's. One is not as long as a delayed W, but delayed nonetheless. So, I'll be sure to bring you those, but more content definitely on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.